kids. Good morning. Hope you all are good. Yeah? Okay, kids. How many of you are ready to do a new song? Yes. Are you excited to do a new song? I am very excited, Pa. See, even Akkas and Annas are excited. Are you excited? Okay. What do we do when we are excited or when we start the actions? Yes. On the count of three. One, two, three. Oh, yes. Oh, kids, you are just amazing. Yes. How many of you are ready to do the next song? What's the next song? It is a Hindi song. How many of you are ready to do a Hindi song? Yes? On the count of three. One, two, five. Joking. One, two, three. Oh, yes.
नाचूंगा गाऊंगा पगलों के समान होश में ना रहूंगा मेरा राजा है महा नाचूंगा गाऊंगा पगलों के समान होश में ना रहूंगा मेरा राजा है महा नाचूंगा खो के अपना स्वाभिमान अरे लोग कहें इस मूर्खता पर गाऊंगा मेरा राजा है नाचूंगा गाऊंगा पगलों के समान होश में ना रहूंगा मेरा राजा है महा नाचूंगा गाऊंगा पगलों के समान होश में ना रहूंगा मेरा राजा है महा नाचूंगा खो के अपना स्वाभिमान अरे लोग कहें इस मूर्खता पर गाऊंगा मेरा राजा है महा नाचूंगा खो के अपना स्वाभिमान अरे लोग कहें इस मूर्खता पर गाऊंगा मेरा राजा है
Hey kids, hope you all are doing good. I know it's been a long week. I know you missed us and we also missed you. But you know, I have to tell you something very important. Nowadays, it's becoming very hot, you know. And I really like to play cricket in this time. But my friend is not coming. How much I'm calling? He's come, you see. Jeremiah, I'm here.
Hey, hi Judah. How are you?
Fine.
Hey, maintain the 6 feet distance, dude. It's Corona time.
Okay.
You know what? My neighbor got Corona. My neighbor's dog got Corona. My neighbor's fish got Corona. Even the fish tank is filled with coronavirus. You
Oh.
know,
Okay, but why you're rapping, bro? Full rap and all.
dude. I'm rapping in fear.
Oh, you know, I understand what you're going through. I know a place where when you go there, all this fear and all will go and you'll just have joy. and excitement. Are you ready to come with me?
Really? I want to go, dude. I'm feeling so scared.
Yeah, bro. Okay, come follow me.
Come, let's go.
Wait. You're coming like that.
Yeah.
Remove everything, please.
I can't remove.
Yeah, you can't come like that, man. You have to remove.
Ayyo. Okay. I'll remove it.
என்பலனெல்லாம் நீர்தானையா என்பலனெல்லாம் நீர்தானையா என்பலனெல்லாம் நீர்தானையா என்பலனெல்லாம் நீர்தானையா அலைமோதும் கடலினிலே தடுமாறும் படகினிலே அலைமோதும் கடலினிலே தடுமாறும் படகினிலே மாலுமியாய் வந்தீரையா மாறாதவர் நீர்தானையா மாலுமியாய் வந்தீரையா மாறாதவர் நீர்தானையா என் பலனெல்லாம் நீர்தானையா என் பலனெல்லாம் நீர்தானையா பலனெல்லாம் நீர்தானையா என் பலனெல்லாம் நீர்தானையா என் பலனெல்லாம் நீர்தானையா.
Hi kids, good morning. Good morning. Somberi boys, Somberi girls, pa. One good morning also not telling. Don't tell in school and all you will tell no. Good morning, ma'am. No. Good morning means good morning. They're all quick learners. Very good. Today, you guys would have been wondering what is this Anna doing on the stage? Why is he dancing alone? Yes, no, maybe. I was also wondering. Shay, if you want to know why I was dancing, you should wait because I have a story to tell you. You want to know why I was dancing? Yes? Yes? I will tell you at the end of the story. Before that, how many of you are excited for a story? To learn a story from the Bible. I am excited. This story is my favorite story in the Bible. You guys want to know what the story is? Even if you don't want to know, I will tell you. Okay? Everyone knows Saul, right, in the Bible? Saul, we all know Saul in the Bible. Saul was the first king of Israel. Not India, Israel. He was the first king of Israel. So, if you are a king, you will have a lot of responsibilities. You will have a lot of problems to solve. All your people's problems and all, you will have to take care. How many of you have been class leaders? I have been class leader, Pak. I was my class representative in second PUC, first standard also I was my class representative. You are also class leaders, right? You will have a lot of work. Attendance you should bring from the staff room. Teachers and all you should help. All our teachers work and all we should only do. Yes or no? Correct. So we have a lot of responsibilities and we are the leader, right? Similarly, Saul had a lot of responsibilities, a lot of problems to solve, and it was day in and day out, over and over and over and over again. Saul became very tired. He was very frustrated. And evil spirits and all were like, it was for him very, if we have a lot of homework, how will we feel? I have science homework, chemistry, physics, biology. Whew. Saul felt like that. What is all this happening? Why is all this? Why should I do all this? Saul was very frustrated. So, one of the officials in Saul's court, one man, he came to Saul. They were all discussing and they thought, we will call one boy and we will ask him to play the harp. Harp. You know what is the harp? Even I don't know. I've only seen it. Harp is a musical instrument. It is just like the guitar, but it is a old guitar. Okay? So we will ask someone to come play the harp for Saul, and Saul will be all right. Saul will feel okay by then. So they went and searched and all, and then one man told, there's a boy called David. What's the name? Suva, David. So they called David. David played the harp very nicely. When he played up there, tena, it will go inside. Very beautifully he used to play. So they went and called David. So David came to Saul's court and David started to play the harp. As David was playing the harp, Saul felt relieved. Saul felt peaceful. He felt like God's peace was with him. He felt all right. All those tensions, all those problems and all that did not hinder him. He was all right. Similarly, just like David, we all have talents, right? We all have talents, right? We all have talents. See, that is why I will tell you at the end of the story why I dance. Dancing is my talent. Dancing is my talent. Similarly, you can dance, you can sing, you can draw, you can paint. There's a lot you can do, right? Yes or no? So, I want to tell one memory verse from the Bible. This verse is very powerful. It's one of my favorite verses from the Bible. It says, "The joy of the Lord is my strength." Can you guys repeat after me? The joy of the Lord is my strength. So this verse is so powerful. This verse is has so much of meaning in it. So when we dance, when we use the talents Jesus has given us, Jesus rejoices. Jesus is smiling at us. He celebrates us. He carries us, puts us on his shoulders, and he goes around telling people, "He's my son. He's my son. He can dance." He goes and tells people, he goes and tells angels and all, "He can dance. He can dance better than you. He can sing better than you. He can draw better than you." That is how Jesus treats us. And because Jesus is happy, that is our strength. Even when we feel weak, there's a lot happening around us, right? Lot of chaos, lot of people are dying. Our parents also are struggling. Not all our parents have jobs, they've lost their jobs. Our loved ones may be going through sickness. There's a lot. We are also not able to go out and play with our friends and all, right? We're all missing our friends. There's a lot happening. We all feel weak. We all become like Saul. We feel disappointed. We feel frustrated. Why is this happening? Why am I going through all this? We feel all this. We think about all this, right? But we have a hidden talent inside of us. You guys have a hidden talent inside of us. Bring out that talent. Use the talent for Jesus. And when you use that, Jesus rejoices over you, and that will become your strength. And I have a homework for you guys. I have a homework. I know you all hate homework. Already lot of assignments you guys have. But easy homework I will give. Okay? Today is Sunday, right? Today is Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Yes, today is Sunday. So you have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Till next Sunday you guys have time. So what you guys do, take a video of you dancing or you singing, whatever you're good at. Whatever, let it be anything. Whatever you are good at, do it. Take a video of that. Take a video of that and send it to us. Send it on the parents group or send it to your teachers, any leaders you know, send it to them. You have 1 week time. Record your videos, do whatever you want, but do it for Jesus. Don't do film songs and all. Jesus will poke your eyes. No, but do it out of love. Do it out of love. Have fun. Whatever you can do it and send us the video, and we will put all these videos on our YouTube channel. We will put that this guy is doing this girl is doing this, and all that we will put, and we will make a video, and you guys also can share it with your friends and all, and they can be blessed. Did you guys love the story? Jora, I can't hear you. Did you guys love the story? Scream, pa, I can't hear you. I can't hear you still. Did you guys love the story? Wow, amazing. Super, guys. Have a blessed week ahead.
Judah, it was really good. You know, Judah, I'm not at all scared right now.
I told you, no, it will be nice.
Yeah, I'm not at all scared of COVID-19. I don't know. It's like a small kind of insect it is. I'm not at all scared.
Correct.
And Judah, you remember the Bible verse? Nehemiah chapter 8 verse 10.
But do you know what does it say?
Ayyo, I just
Do you all know what does Nehemiah 8 verse 10 say?
Do you?
It says, "The joy of the Lord is my strength." So, keeping this verse, you must know, kids, that the joy of the Lord is your strength, right? Right, Jeremiah?
Yes, Judah.
Yeah. Okay, did you like the activities?
Yeah, it was really good. And you know what? I'm going to go home and do that same activity again and again unless I am satisfied. And you know what, kids? It would be really good if you share the photos of your activities
Yeah.
to the below given email address. So kids, bye for this week. We
And don't
miss you.
forget, you're supposed to subscribe, like, and share all the videos to your friends, okay? Will you do that? Okay, awesome. Bye, kids.
Bye-bye.
I am a champion in this world. Nothing can stand against me now. I am a champion in this world. Your power lives in me. I am a this world.